Yawale from Ujuelegba.
All right, Wale, let's go.
Yes, there is an accident on top of Ujuelegba bridge.
Okay.
Just at the distance towards Abati Barracks. A truck loaded with iron rods of tons, and it has blocked about almost half of the road. The 2 lanes has reduced to 1 lane. So we are having a slow movement coming from Barracks towards Ujuelegba.
Okay.
Meanwhile, recovery of those irons is ongoing now. So immediately after the irons have been packed from the road, we will recover the truck and we have an improved traffic flow.
Okay, so this one it happened for Ujuelegba bridge. Like I say, they enter Abati Barracks.
I think you don't get to Abati Barracks. They are coming from Ujuelegba.
Okay. All right, copied.
So as soon as we get this off the road, I'll get back to you.
Thank you so much.
Meanwhile, the traffic has extended to almost Stadium Hotel. So just to say a motoring public to be.
Okay, I beg traffic manager Wale, we go there on standby. Once they don't finish the evacuation, we say it will soon start, and 2 lanes don't turn to 1 lane, right?
Yes.
Okay, so once they finish, I beg we do on standby so that I go feel bring us news.
No,
Thank you so much. All right, so there you get now truck we carry iron rod for Ujuelegba bridge. Like I say, they go Abati Barracks side, and well, now don't chop later one of the lanes. Now one con day for ground, backlog day for Stadium Hotels presently. Once they come out, we go feel bring you up to speed. But just day rest assured, your ever dynamic last mile officers, they're there to make sure say you no go too choke for you. All right, so that will bring us back to fire service calling. Oga Padonu Sunday, make I allow you land now.
I greet everybody, say good morning. Like the one we happened the other time. If you feel say you feel jump safely from anywhere, you don't study the environment, say you feel jump, make you no hold anything, make you no carry anything for your back. Any load weight there for your body, na additional. Phone no get weight like that. Na additional load, so na additional weight. That one go change your direction. No matter the direction, yes, you go change.
If I want fall from like 5-story building, if I don't carry anything, it go do me
like you see that thing now. You show practically for that day now. Somebody jump where they escape when nothing happen. The one we put back, waiting happen. So that's just simple arithmetic to see. Say if you want,
I'm not going to float for her.
Then what I'm saying here is, be say if you carry any load, now additional weight, it go change your direction as you plan to go.
Okay.
So it go change. There's no way you no change your direction.
The person of you jump from that level, jump with leg, and at times you go see say they fall like person when they sleep. What do they call
you know, say if you as you come like force of gravity.
Okay.
So their weight is where they give them the direction. But it's only God who feels safe person if you jump from that type of building high. But if God wants save you safe, make you don't add anything where go cause injury to yourself. Because additional weight, like I said, if you carry anything like
I know
bag,
some people they carry bag, they go say they go do like parachute for them.
Some things they inside the way they very important. Nothing they important like life. So make you run for your life.
So make we go into the
yarn now. There are some things where you feel do, like we say evacuation procedure. We are waiting with the call evacuation, the way people will get out from building safely in case of emergency. So there are some things where you feel do before it happen. Like one, the building they supposed to have evacuation plan, like we they said all the time. Where we they tell people say evacuation plan for higher building very very important. Everybody for that building, they don't study the environment, they don't know what to do in case when the big happen, and they know where to pass in case big happen. That is what the evacuation plan all about. Then they should know the exit route where they for this environment. Say if this happen, now here we go take, now there we go take. So it is expected for every occupant where they in that building, make they understand where they feel pass in case of emergency. That is what about evacuation plan day about. Because all the occupants that I'm talking about, the visitor, the employer, the employee, everyone na the occupant of the building. As I did here, so I be your occupant now. Don't be say because now you they use here, now you be occupant. No, anybody will there with you that time. So it is very good when you have higher building that people come to you from your reception. Make you let them familiar with your evacuation plan. If it happen, where they feel take. So make them do this small induction for them. Like all these big multi-conventional companies, if you go to their company, they will take you to reception, show you where to pass, where to be, to save in case of fire. Here you pass, here you stay, here you walk, their walkway, whatever, so that you go there safe for their environment. So for that building now, they need to do that. Then when the beginner happen, what you feel do as a man or anybody in the building, if you perceive fire, the first thing say make you stay calm, make you no panic too much, because if you dey panic, you no go know the next thing to do. And if you have fire alarm system around you, maybe the bell never ring, maybe the smoke detector never detect the fire. Now you detect them first. Make you just go there, press the alarm. Alert people say fire day, and as you are the alert them, let people wey we alert say make they get the education, say make they no rush. We know the rush. You don't run. You don't push one or another. If you are coming from staircase, you come gently and in line. No be say you would they try say you want to overtake somebody, because the tension don't dey too much. You cool yourself down.
But what's it they call stampede, right?
Stampede. Basically, no call stampede for. So if you push somebody, stampede go happen. If you rush too much, stampede go happen. So as you dey waka gently, exactly. So make you go gently, as you know. Say yes, fire don't come. But another thing is, say if you are as you are coming, make sure you may take the next exit wey dey closer to you and dey safe, because if the exit no be where the fire dey and you fit pass another exit route, it's fine. But the exit route, that's why we dey tell people say make they know they block the exit route in their building. So if the exit route, you know the exit route, take it gently, go through that exit route, and by the time you are leaving the building, the other thing we go do, say you fit close the door against the fire, because
what if you know say somebody still dey inside? You can't go close the door.
No, be say you go lock. Of course, if you are evacuating from building, you make sure say everybody don't get out. Mm-hmm. As you hear fire,
but when the get happen, your mind no go dey. Who you want to say remain inside?
We need to be conscious and be calm. That's why we need to be doing this evacuation drill time to time. So if we have education of this thing,
conscious and calmness.
Yes.
Now, what you know they happen during fire brigade? But you as a trained officer.
That's why we say for every RI building, at least twice in a year, make they do this evacuation drill.
Okay.
Some people, if they hear fire bell now, they will still say, now the evacuation the way then they do. Now if they won't do again, they go feel as if say,
well, they don't come with
wahala.
How many times a year they're supposed to do the evacuation drill?
At least twice in a year. If you do this year now, like the National Board of Committee on Building, they said if twice for the new building, but as the occupant don't they last for the building, they fit do them once in a year.
Residential or commercial?
Both.
Because
as you
they sack some people they resign, and new employees
that's why you need to do them twice in a and if you have new employee for your environment, you need to sensitize that person. That's why when we talk about evacuation plan, as you employ somebody, let this plan give it to him, let this
do their head.
No, let it day for their head. You know the exit route. But of course, from organization today, I can beat my chest for them and say, if you go there, they will tell you if begin happen, pass this place. This is our exit, this is our that. Along this direction.
Okay, Padonu, make I pick your brain here. Which organizations they do this fire drill well, private or public?
The one where
they go do evacuation. I mean, fire drill evacuation.
Where they do
who they do and pass, public or private buildings?
The organization where we they do them for. Now where they do them for them.
Those where they do and pass.
Who they practice
exactly.
Who they practice
exactly.
Now private organization.
They do and
public
pass.
Organization also they do, because every end of the year, Lagos State government they send mandatory all these our agencies and parasasters we they go to, and we know that as we are going to all this department, all this company, we don't they do residential too, because all those people where they there, they know they pass Nigeria, they will go home and they will carry that knowledge go home. So it's for them now to sensitize their people.
I won't do. Lagos
how many people? But by the time they go to companies now, they go to organizations.
They go sleep somewhere. Talk to their CDA, share the experience.
They can even call us for their CDA meetings to sensitize them. No problem about that. So from there, everybody go, because fire safety is our collective responsibility. It's everybody work, not be only fire service work now. So your own work, we say, as you are hearing this now, if you tell your people for home, say, if fire begin happen, waiting then go do. This is what they go do for high rise building. So as you alert your people, look for the way that you pass out gently. Then another thing, if in residential or even company, they have some people will be disabled. Those people challenge people. So people should try to help them. Help your neighbor this time around. Don't be say because you won't run for your dear life, you go leave them or you go push them for the road, or for they feel cause the stamping where you won't avoid. So that's why everybody will go orderly so that the stamping no go happen. So all of you no go get trapped for the fire. Then the thing where the organization is supposed to be have is that we need to have fire marshal for the floors for high-rise building. In time of organization now, not be for residential organization. So where some people they call them floor warding. So these people they go dey in charge of your emergency in case gbege happen. So now then go dey sanitize people. Don't run, don't rush you. And you as a occupant of the building, make you listen to their instructions and then they give you. If a man now arrive also, make you listen to the instructions. If they don't job, we are here to help you. We are here to do this for you. Make you stay calm, because as you see fire, if you know the logic for high-rise buildings, if fire start from somewhere, don't be saying now that time the fire go start from A and move to the Z apartment. No. The fire go start gradually and people go notice am. Of course, the fire no go circulate every part of the building at a go. But because of everybody won't get out at the single time, so then go they rush. So you don't rush when it comes to fire safety. So,
we gotta go.
So that is what you need to. You stay calm. You don't push anybody. Then you make call to fire service. Then you push. You go to assembly or 112. So you go to assembly point to account for the head of those who they. If anybody they inside, you see say somebody see they inside.
And that's why companies they get where they register. Somebody they enter the building, so that when gbege happen, you look how many people don't sign out. How many people they inside?
So that
for the assembly point.
Trap or number.
But most companies don't they do them anymore these days. They just believe say, well, God for us all, every man for himself.
I don't think.
Then when gbege happen to your tent, who is
because the little one where I know, then they do it. If you go, they will take.
That's nice to know. All right, we gotta go quickly. More check me statistics.
For this week's statistic, they 11 difference to last week.
Okay.
The emergency we have both the fire and the collapse. We don't have collapse of building and rescue salvage. We have 22 for this week. Like last week, we have 33. That's last week for upper
so it
reduced by 11. So thank God for that. First call is also reduced by 6 difference.
Okay, I don't say we need to discuss
11.
first call as a topic. Amadu Shakiru they listen.
We soon discuss that because it reduced by 5. But that 5 self don't waste government resources. So
they go down ready come out.
So it don't waste government resources. So
but what if that prank they use and do to do whether
we are the work they
can't record them.
You need to some people they do now they go call us say we just want to confirm maybe the line is going on. We know okay you are confirming, no crime about that.
Okay. But not come to number 13 Shogunle.
We reach there, we don't see fire, we don't see anything. They will call you again say I just they pass you. I don't know, maybe fire did there. That's not rubbish. If you want to confirm the number.
You don't invest.
I don't invest now.
Thank you.
That one no good.
I understand. And where gbege come dey happen, we need that assistance. You go come suffer. One una come reach, you come dey stone una. Una no quick come. I don't know say na we still divert una. I understand the pain.
So that is it.
All right. It's well. Make we leave am for here. Okay, safe commuting from high-rise building. Now we don't take educate ourselves this afternoon on top fire service calling. Chief Fire Officer Padonu Sunday, Deputy Commander for Operations, Lagos State Fire and Rescue Service. Now I don't carry the sensitization come. And for those who go like call on our headquarters,
you feel call 77 or 116 if you don't have money for your this
767 or 112.
That's an emergency call center. For our own hotline is 080 33 235891. I'll take it again. 080 33 235891. That's our hotline. If you reach out for email for Lagos State at fire service at lagostate.gov.ng, and for our Facebook is Lagos State Fire Service. For Twitter you feel reach out for Lagos Rescue, and for our Instagram you feel reach out for LASG Fire Service. So that's our call sign where you can meet us, see us, send us any message, you go he go answer you.
No leave the matter for here. You do well, Oga Padonu. We'll do this again next week. Until then, stay safe and they do the needful. 767 or 112 shortest number to call when gbege happen. Whether person enter soccer way, motor they burn, anything they happen at all, call that number. But no call them for fun. May they for no arrest you.